Okay, let's go. So I have a 40 by 40 deep edge canvas. That's in centimeters. 40 is 16 inches square, I believe. Right, so I've taped off part of the middle. Just to be safe, I might add some more tape there, but I'm leaving a border here. I am doing the border this time prior to painting, unlike I did with the seascape one, but then that was to hide unsightly sides. Now I'm going to use Amsterdam modeling paste, but because the canvas is obviously a flexible surface, for flexibility, I've added some acrylic binder in here. Normally, I would use gel medium, but I don't have any. I've used it all up for my pouring medium, but never mind. This will also add flexibility, so it does the same thing. And I kind of like that it made the modeling paste slightly less thick. So I should be able to do a nice border in relief here. So I will pop some music on for you and put you or speed up the video, and I will speak to you once I'm done with this.
There's something about your face, can't stop looking your way. What do you do to me? You make it hard to breathe. I'm tired of the people that talk about nothing, and I'm not wasting this moment.
Okay, that's the board all done. I think all done. I'm just gonna work a little bit on some bits that are bugging me. But yeah, now again, I have to find patience from somewhere and wait for this to dry. Sunday now, the working week is about to start. I'm needed at the office tomorrow. Tuesday I'm leaving for a business trip to Sweden. I'll be back late Wednesday. So actually, this is a good scenario because I have to let this dry until at least Thursday night. So that'll be 4 days, considering it's a really, really, really thick layer of the modeling paste. I think that's only a good thing. So we will be back with the next part.
I know that letting you go would be crazy. Thinking, no, I want you for myself. I don't need anybody else when I leave this place. Meet me in the dark where we can both hide. No one's gonna steal our time again. We don't have to say much, let our lips touch. I will stay with you until the end. Meet me in the dark. There's something about your face, can't stop looking your way. What do you do to me? You make it hard to breathe. Ooh. I'm tired of the people that talk about nothing.
Oh, phew, here it finally is. Good grief, it took me weeks to get here. I was so undecided on that border. I just kept going back and forth. The black was just way too dark. And then the white with the black showing through and the gold on top of it, I really hated it. I couldn't stand the way it looked. So I just opted for a titanium white. There's a couple of coats of titanium white to ensure it covers everything really, really well. And then I dry brushed on some TLP shimmer. You can't really see it without the flash, so let me just pop the flash on for you. There we go. Now you can see it. It looks really, really nice. I've put a gloss varnish on the border. And then I have a matte varnish, satin varnish rather, on the middle part, the painting part, if you like. And I think that gives it a real nice contrast. And I just love the details here, the textured background with the thrown on paint on top of it. It just gives it really, really cool texture, I think. I love it. It's very unusual, but I am in love with this. But I'd love to hear what you think. So please leave me a comment and a like if you like it, of course. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. And thanks so much for being here with me today. I'll speak to you soon. Bye-bye.